See, someone's got a will of mine. Real mine. No.
Today's recipe is tomato basil naan pizza. It's great because you can have it for lunch, as an appetizer, or a snack. It's quick and easy. I have the oven preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And the first thing I'm going to do is I've got my 2 naan flatbreads right there. And I'm going to put cheese on both of them. Okay, we're going to set that aside. And next is our topping. So we're going to add our tomatoes, which I've either cut in half or in fourths. I've got fresh garlic. I'm using 2 cloves, but you could certainly use more. I've got oregano. We're going to do our salt and pepper. And our extra virgin olive oil. And then we're just going to stir it all together. Okay, we're going to start spreading the tomato mixture. Okay, a little bit of mozzarella, not too much because I am going to add some when it comes out. Okay, these are going to cook for 10 to 12 minutes, but we're going to keep an eye on it. And now we're going to have to wait. Ooh, looks nice. All right, the last thing we need to do is take our basil, and I'm going to cut it up and put it on our pizzas. Not the greatest looking basil, but use what you have. Okay. Just spread it around. Over here, I'm going to throw just a little more cheese on. All right, you ready for some naan pizza?
Yes, definitely.
Good. Me too. And it got to cool a little bit. So.
Ooh, it's beautiful. It smells.
Mm-hmm. In case you've never seen it in the grocery store before, it also comes in this size, which is a little bit bigger, and they also have a pizza crust size, and they might have a smaller size than what we use. So it's up to you, whichever size you want to use. Obviously, I use a lot of tomatoes.
Perfection.
That is really good.
Well said.
Oh, yeah. Those tomatoes.
This was quick.
I was really quick. That's what would be great for a party. It doesn't take long as you have all the ingredients, minutes. And then you could fill up a whole board with them.
Those tomatoes are sweet.
I know,
Delicious.
They are. Better than the ones I got before. So, you know, it depends. But I would definitely recommend this. This
Wow.
is a 10 out of 10. Yes,
Totally.
very good. We had it the other night, so we knew it was good, but this is even better.
I didn't try it the other night.
You didn't?
No, the kids did.
Oh, okay.
I was full from a day, well,
Of eating other stuff.
eating other stuff. We had a new restaurant open, a Coney Island hot dog place, and I went with a bunch of friends, and I had no room for pizza when I came home.
Oh, more for us is what
It's
it
good.
was.
Real good.
So don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time with another new recipe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.